In today's video, I will show you how to add filters to a dashboard in Metabase. So by the end of this guide, you will know how to create a filter, pick the correct filter type and connect it to your chart. So first thing you need to do is log in into your Metabase account. Once you are done with that, go here to our analytics and you will find here your created dashboard. Now to entering editing mode, edit mode, in the top right corner here at the top, you will see edit dashboard. Click on that pencil icon. Now look for the filter icon, the one that looks like a funnel, and click it. So right here, for example, as you can see. So click on that and add filter. Now here you can choose filter type. Now you need to choose what kind of data this filter will control. If you are filtering by dates, choose time. This work for time, things like last 7 days, 30 days, and so on. For geographic data, use location. This is perfect for city, state, um, or zip code. If you need exact matches like an order ID or user ID, select ID here, primary key, as you can see. For everything else like product, categories or status, use other. So choose the right type, it's important. Okay, so I will go with filter right here with ID filter. Now what you need to do is here column to filter on, click on it, and I will go with ID, people ID. So for example, if you have something else, time filter, select the date column, location filter, select city, state, or zip, ID filter, as I did, people ID and ID fields and so on. Repeat this step for every chart you want to control by the filter. If a chart doesn't show a matching column, it usually means that the data type doesn't match the filter type. Once everything is connected, click Done in the filter settings, then hit the blue Save button right over here at the top right corner, and that's it. Your dashboard now has a working filter that keeps all connected charts in sync and makes exploring data much easier. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.